OGs when it comes to that. And I've spoken about this before as well. I think this is something which is like it comes in many sizes, and it's always like every pouch of mine, whether it's in my handbag or in my travel bag or like everywhere, you'll find a different size of this bottle. But
it's this skincare girlie's bobby pin, if you will.
Yes.
We have one of every size in every bag. Just moving on a little bit to what are some of the other ingredients that you look out for in your skincare, and what do you think is your ultimate goal when you want to wake up in the morning?
So, I do not use a lot of active ingredients unless there's a particular problem that I have to treat.
Yeah, very specific, targeted concern.
For me, my skin can tend to, it's sensitive and it's a little dry. So I obviously use a lot, I use my hydration, I use my ANR. But sometimes I also feel like if I try to give my skin that one, if I'm shooting regularly and there's a lot of makeup going on and there's a lot of dust that's going on my skin, I like to use a little bit of glycolic acid as well. Which I feel has quite kind of like it helps exfoliating, and I think that's been one good thing that that I was introduced to. Apart from that, I'm not someone who uses a lot of active ingredients. So for me, my skincare has to be very simple. It has to be it has like my morning routine, or we're talking about a night routine, but even my morning routine is very simple. I use the serum twice because I have dry skin.
It's AM PM. It works.
PM. It's holy grail. So I use my serum, I use my moisturizer, and then I go in with SPF. It's as simple as that. And then of course PM is double cleansing, making sure that there's absolutely no makeup. Like I could come back home as tired and as sleepy, but for me it's important when I wipe my face on a white towel, there is absolutely nothing on it. So I think
true pressure test.
But and that's why I make sure that there's only a white face towel in my I need to know that there is not a single molecule of makeup, of course. So even my nighttime routine is very simple. I use a cleansing balm. I also find a cleansing balm a lot more sustainable compared to constantly using cotton pads and using. So I love my cleansing balm. Then I go in with a face cleanser, and then of course then your skincare. Use my ANR serum and then a moisturizer, and that's after that I sleep. And the under eye gel. So it's hydration and repair, and less of kind of using a lot of active things. So glycolic, I found it works for me. It's also important to know what works for you, and if there's a genuine skincare issue, then it's also important to kind of consult a dermatologist or someone who's who's kind of trained to help you with that. The other thing that you asked me was about how I want my skin to look when I wake up. I want my skin to look like it's glowing like a 1,000-watt bulb. I want my skin to look as hydrated and plump and refreshed. In the morning, just like I've just been born, and I think that's what it to look like in the morning. And when I've had a really good night's sleep, and my nutrition the day before has been great, I do notice that when I wake up in the morning, especially if your skin's not dry, like when your skin's dry, it can get a little dull. You do have that glow, that intrinsic glow, plus your skin looks nice and glassy. If you moisturized it well, I think that's the best feeling. Like when I wake up and I'm like, hey, I don't need any concealer today. I'm just gonna walk out with my sunscreen and I'm gonna walk out without makeup. And I've been doing that a lot of. Like I've been doing that a lot, like of late.
That's amazing. I just wanted to just go back to your cleansing for a sec, to your routine for a second. So I actually also am following the same routine as you.
Guys, I love it. It's great for dry skin.
It's the best. It has moringa in it, which has a lot of anti-aging properties. It has it's also the main ingredient that's in this is hyaluronic acid, which we've already discussed at length, is a moisture magnet. What I love about this is also that if you're slightly older, if you're in your late 20s, 30s, this is a great product to kind of kick off that anti-aging journey also, because it has such hydrating ingredients. It also reduces the line, the visibility of fine lines, and keeps you hydrated, keeps you plump, which is also, whenever you think about young looking people, or whenever you think about young looking skin, it's always like a plump face, like something that kind of bounces back, and that's what you really want from your moisturizer, which is why I highly recommend the Revitalizing Supreme, and I know you feel some kind of way about it as well.
See, I like, my skin tends to get dry, especially when I travel, like, with makeup also makes your skin a little dry. So I think the moisturizer is great, and I also noticed that the effect stays for a few days. Like, it's not something that if you wash it off, it's completely like gone. I was just reading some of the comments.
Yeah, they're so sweet, they're lovely, and I actually have a question for the audience. What does your night routine look like? If you have any questions for either Manushi or I about our skincare routines, about any of the Estee Lauder products, please feel free to tell us in the comments below. We also have some very, very exciting news for you that we're going to bring up at the very end. So I highly encourage you guys to stay on as Manushi spills the tea on all of her beauty must-haves and how she takes care of her skin and owns the night. So I'm going to quickly move on to the third product that we absolutely love, which is the Estee Lauder Supercharged Eye Cream. It's actually a gel cream. It's not, your typical eye cream. I think let's just swatch the texture for everyone.
I've like used it like a thousand.
That to me is the best review of a product. And
almost over. I don't know how many pots for these, but you know what? I can never keep that white cover. I can never keep, like, I just need to, like, directly get to the product.
I'm one of those where I'm just such a dust freak, where I'm like, if I'm going to take this off, that means that it's not going to come in. Like, on some level, I know that. But it's just like, in my head, I need to keep that white thing on. But just to show everyone the texture, it's super lightweight, and look, it's already melted into my skin. It's gone, and it's super hydrating. It reduces the impact of the environment on your skin, which we absolutely need in if you're a city girl, if you live in Bombay, you know the AQI, or in Delhi or in Bangalore, the AQI is so bad that you need to do everything you can to kind of undo the effects of all of the pollutants that you have been exposed to during the day. So tell me more about how you feel about this product.
Well, I think only a year ago learned that there's a particular way to apply it. Because I used to, like, just take it on my ring finger and I used to literally wipe under my eye. And I only very recently learned that you take a little of product.
Okay, guide me.
So, it's 3 dots is what I know. Okay, if I'm wrong, I'll be in big trouble. So, excuse moi, Estee Lauder family, if you're watching this, but this is my method. So basically, I like to use. So someone told me that you're supposed to, like, you should use your ring finger, because that's like the lightest tap that you can do under your eye. But you basically make 3 dots. Yeah, you go from the outside to the inside.
Okay.
And then instead of swiping, they said, like, you do this piano motion.
Ah, okay.
Taps the product. It's just so much fun to do. I just love it.
It's the face massage built into product application. I'm here to multitask. I don't have time, so I'm here for this.
But I think this one's great, like, for hydration under the eye. It's great for even your like the rest of your pimples. Like, if your under eyes are dry, you can kind of see, and makeup also crack under the eye. I'm actually so much of makeup, I kind of have to also make sure that it makes a nice base.
Yeah.
So
Definitely, your makeup application is only going to be as strong as your skincare routine. This is something that we've been saying for years. So, 100% agree with you. I also wanted to quickly talk about Tripeptide 32, which I don't think gets enough of its due, because honestly, that is such a cool innovation. Also, it's called 32 because the first 31 versions did not work, but they continued on. I'm just making a joke, I'm not sure. But we absolutely love Tripeptide 32. It does the job of so many things in one. I think I've gotten a bit of a connection error. Okay, Manushi left the chat, but she will be back. In the meantime, I'm going to quickly throw it out there for everyone who's been waiting and watching for so long. Is we have a very exciting announcement for you guys. Today and today only, for the next couple of hours, we have a flash sale happening on Estee Lauder, only on Nykaa. You're getting 10% off on full-size products and an additional 5% off if you use your coupon Stripe. So that's right, it's 10% off on full-size products and an extra 5% off if you apply for a coupon. Just give me a minute, I'm going to just quickly get Manushi back. Okay, great. So for those who just joined, very exciting news for you guys. We have an exclusive flash sale running tonight till 12 a.m. only. If you buy any Estee Lauder product, you're going to get 10% off on a full size product and an additional 5% off as a coupon. So make sure you're filling your cards and make sure you're buying your favorite Estee Lauder products, because for today and today only, full size products are available at 10% off and an additional 5% off with coupons. I'm just going to quickly check in on Manushi. A second. In the meantime, guys, please send us your questions. Let us know what we can answer for you, and we'll be very, very happy to do that. Serum or cream, somebody just asked. The serum that we're recommended is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Rest Serum. This actually goes with most skin types and works for most people. It is very gentle but very effective. It is 7 serums in one. It hydrates, it evens out your skin tones, it provides radiance, it's strengthening your skin barrier, it's loaded with antioxidants. It gives you firmness and reduction in the appearance of lines. A cream that we highly recommend is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus. It has hyaluronic acid, moringa extracts, caffeine. Caffeine is known to wake your skin up. Obviously, you know that because you drink coffee. So caffeine as an ingredient also, when you apply topically, has a lot of positive effects on your skin. I'm just going to quickly check in on Manushi. Can you give me a minute? In the meantime, guys, please feel free to drop your questions in and we'd be happy to answer them. Yes, Pooja, it works for sensitive skin. In fact, these ingredients are so gentle that this might be the gentlest solid formulation out there to give you the skin of your dreams. For those who have just joined in, get an extra 10% off on full size products for Estee Lauder products and an additional 5% off as a coupon on any purchase you make till 12 a.m. tonight. So make sure you are grabbing Manushi's favorites, the routine that she swears by, it is serum, which is ANR. Then you have your advanced night repair supercharged gel cream, which is your eye product. And lastly, you have your moisturizer, which is Revitalizing Supreme. So you wake up to your best skin yet. I think due to some technical difficulties, we're having a little bit of a hard time getting you back. In the meantime, hi everyone, thanks for staying on. Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Hello. For those who have just joined, get an additional 10% off on full-size products on anything that you buy from Estee Lauder, and an additional 5% off on via a coupon. So that is 10% off on full-size products, full-size Estee Lauder products. And lastly, we have with us an additional 5% off for if you use the right coupons. We're just going to wait quickly for Manushi to join.
Sorry, I'm traveling. The Wi-Fi is a little flaky.
I totally get it, been there. So I just was walking everyone through the offer. If you want to get skin like Manushi's and follow her skincare routine, which is the Advanced Night Repair Serum, followed by the Supercharged Gel Eye Cream, and finally the Revitalizing Supreme Moisturizer, you will get 10% off on all full-size products and an additional 5% off if you use your coupons right. So make sure you're shopping on Nykaa and get your hands on the products that have given Manushi the skin that she has. Amazing. Guys, please put in your questions. Manushi and I are happy to answer them. For a few questions that I've seen floating around is what changes do I notice in my skin after using the serum at night?
I think like skincare is something which it's a routine that you have to follow for a while. For me, like what I noticed was the hydration. Also, like a lot of fine lines that you get because of dryness and those early signs of age kind of go away. Also, I think that like sun exposure and like lifestyle and everything kind of gives, like Indian skin is prone to pigmentation, which is another thing that I've noticed that whenever I've followed my skincare routine, it takes time for results to show. You have to follow it religiously every single day. But I think slowly you'll kind of understand that you'll slowly see the results. So I feel that the major changes that I've seen are in the fine lines, the hydration. I feel that skin's a lot more plumper and younger with especially with the hyaluronic acid, and also pigmentation. That's like for me, it's reversed it a little bit.
Right. I also think that.
But it's important to follow it every day.
That is honestly the number one goal. Consistency. It takes 21 days to form a habit. So today is a great day to start. You will get 10% off on full-size products, 5% off with an additional coupon. And in 21 days, you can expect to wake up with radiant, hydrated, smoother skin, the appearance of fine lines disappearing. Also, Manushi spoke about pigmentation. Pigmentation also happens because of the free radicals in the atmosphere reacting with your melanin, which is why you need antioxidants. I know antioxidants is something that people constantly talk about, but what does it even mean? It's basically to reduce the impact of the environment on your skin, and it comes in troves in this guy that we love, the ANR. Start today, get 10% questions that have come through is it okay to use the serum every night?
I mean, I think that's what you should be doing, kind of religiously follow one routine. I use it in the morning and at night. I think it's a great amount of hydration that your skin gets. So it's important to use it every single day if you want to see results. Like consistency in skincare is the key.
Absolutely, 100% cannot disagree. Can one apply the serum on their entire face, or should they just apply it to problem areas?
I use it on my entire face. I think, like, if I'm using it for hydration, it's like, even if I don't have an active problem, I use it as a routine. So it's important to kind of make sure that your skin is getting that rest and that time to kind of extra boost to kind of restore. So it's important to use it, like, I mean, I use it all over my face.
Absolutely agree. Sorry, I have the questions ready. Yes. How should you apply? I think we already covered that. What specific benefit does the eye gel cream offer for nighttime use? From what I'm told, it says that in 2 weeks, you're supposed to wake up with brighter looking skin. So guys, today is day 0. Today, get 10% off. Tell us 14 days later how your skin has reacted. It's going to be killer. It's going to be, if you can't reduce the appearance of darkness, but you can definitely make your skin plumper. You can make your skin look hydrated, less tired, glowy. And honestly, isn't that what we should be aspiring to? What's your take on that, Manushi?
I mean, for me, I think, like I said, whenever there's anything, whether I'm tired or whether my skin's not feeling as hydrated, or I'm stressed, my problem area, it's my under eyes. Like, that's my problem. That's where it shows. Like, the minute I wake up in the morning and if I've gone out for breakfast and my mom looks at my face, she knows exactly whether I'm well rested, whether I'm feeling healthy, whether I've been eating well. It's basically my under eyes that she looks at. And I think that's so important, and that's such a neglected area as well. Growing up, I kind of never really focused on what where, but I think I kind of have been using both the serum and the eye gel together. And for me, again, like I said, because it's dry, my skin's dry, the hydration really helps. It's of course thicker in consistency, so it stays much longer. It gets absorbed so well into the skin. At the same time, those little fine lines are kind of like, I think it's lessened. But I've been using this for ages now, so I use it every night. I think for me, mainly it was that, and of course, when the dryness is not there, for me, even the pigmentation then lessens. So these are the 3 benefits that I've seen with the under eye gel, and I think it's also a great base for makeup. Like, my makeup sits really well on it.
Oh, I never knew you could do that. That's actually a really good insight. I'm going to try it out tomorrow with my eye here. Okay. I'm gonna quickly just pan down and see if there are any other questions. I just wanted to, just for the audience, just for revision, go over what this routine looks like. So I would say number 1. So Manushi, correct me if I'm wrong. Number 1 is serum. No, number 1 is double cleansing. Sorry.
I mean, make sure that no makeup, pollution, dust, anything on your skin.
Okay, so 0.0 to Vinita and 1 to Manushi. We'll continue on. Up next is your serum, which is our Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, the OG, the cult favorite, the hero, the belle of the ball, 7-in-1 packs a punch. Then we let that kind of sink into our skin. We do maybe like a little facial massage. We let it we do a little bit of a jade roller. And then we go on to...
If I have time, I love making that step so fancy. Like, if not a jade roller, I have those like little, they call those little face massagers, like those tea face massagers. Sometimes I like that.
The tea balm.
So I think it depends on like if I'm feeling a little too fancy, I'll go a little extra. But that's when you really enjoy like kind of giving your face that massage, and then this product also sits so well on your skin.
Absolutely, without feeling heavy. It's so lightweight, it gets absorbed so quickly, and just like instant.
I told you my under eye routine. Whatever products left on my fingers, I use it on my lips.
One, no?
I actually do that. Whatever's left,
That was sustainable
I
cool.
go over my lips.
Amazing. So that's great because that brings us to our next product, which is using the supercharged gel eye cream, which, as you know, comes packed with hyaluronic acid and reduces the impact of the environment on our face. So this one, and a quick tip from Manushi, if you have any leftover, use it as lip balm. So love that. And finally, we finish off with the Revitalizing Supreme Moisturizer, which is such a great way to just kind of pack in that moisture, right? So you wake up looking.
I think it just locks everything in, and then you're sleeping with this whole mask of hydration, and you wake up with great skin.
Yeah, and it has some of my favorite ingredients also. I was just talking about it. Caffeine wakes you up instantly. It has prickly pear, which is known to be like this, super hydrator. You have hyaluronic acid, moringa. The way that Estee Lauder picks moringa is also very very specific to them. It's a patented technique. So you get the best out of their ingredients, which is why it makes for the best investment you can possibly make in your skincare. And you're getting 10% off today and today only. So make sure you're buying it on Nykaa. Any parting thoughts?
I'm actually seeing a lot of comments on whether this is only for women. No, skincare is for everyone. It's not just for women, it's for men and women.
God's skin needs care. That's what it is.
Skin is skin.
Amazing. Any parting thoughts, Manushi? This has been so much fun doing it, having this chat with you.
I think it's been great, like discussing. Not like we have a very complicated nighttime skincare routine. I think it's a very simple one, easy one. Literally three. But I think it's been fun discussing this. I love talking about skincare, and I love whenever a friend of mine, a boy or a girl, or whether a sibling of mine or anyone, like ever, sometimes even my dad, he'll like come and he'll discuss something, and I just love like kind of exploring and discussing and be like, oh, you come, like let me fix this for you, and why don't you try this and why don't you try that. I think I love discussing skincare. I feel like there's so much of, like I said, there's so much of like self-love and so much therapy attached to it, and it has such a direct impact on your on how you feel about yourself, on your confidence. And I think we all want that clear, glowing skin, and I feel like the right skincare and using the right products, it's just so important to make sure that your skin is getting what it needs. I think I've had a really fun chat. I really enjoyed it, and now I'm going to go and get some good night's sleep after doing my nighttime routine, because we want our skin to recover for the next.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Manushi. If you ever want to have a skincare chat, you know our address. Find us. We are an office full of skincare junkies. So lovely chatting with you. For all those people who joined in late, just remember all Estee Lauder full-size products are available at 10% off for today and today only, and an additional 5% off on coupon if you use your coupons right. So thank you so much, Manushi. This has been great. Lovely chatting with you.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.